Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Otter.ai, Fireflies.ai, and Fathom. If you've ever sat through a long meeting thinking, I hope I don't forget anything important, then AI meeting assistants might just be your new best friend. But here's the problem, there are so many options out there. By the end of this video, you know exactly which one is best for you. Let's start with an overview of each. First, Otter.ai. It is one of the most popular AI note-taking tools out there, and it's designed mainly for students, journalists, solo professionals, and small teams. Otter focuses heavily on real-time transcription and collaboration. So instead of just recording your meeting, it lets you highlight notes live, it lets you add comments, and tag teammates. That makes it feel more like a live note-taking workspace rather than just an AI assistant. On to Fireflies.ai. Fireflies.ai takes things a step further. Instead of just transcribing meetings, Fireflies acts more like a virtual meeting assistant. It joins your meetings automatically, it records everything, and it creates summaries, also extracts action items. And most importantly, it integrates deeply with tools like CRMs. On to Fathom.ai Notetaker. Fathom is quickly becoming a fan favorite. Fathom's biggest focus is simplicity and value. It records meetings, it creates highly structured summaries, and highlights key moments automatically. But where it stands out is how it turns conversations into clear insight and action points, instead of just raw transcripts. Now, let's talk about the main features of each of these platforms. With Otter.ai, you get real-time transcription during your meetings. There's also speaker identification. There's live collaboration, which includes comments and highlights. There's meeting summaries and also searchable transcripts. One standout feature with Otter.ai is the live collaboration, which makes it great for teams that work together in real time. But compared to the others, it's a bit more basic in automation and integrations. Let's talk about the features of Fireflies.ai. Fireflies.ai is more advanced when it comes to automation and integrations as well. The key features include AI meeting assistants that joins the call automatically, smart summaries with action items, advanced search across meetings, soundbite clips for sharing highlights, and has a very great integration with CRM tools and applications. It also supports multiple languages, making it ideal for global teams. Now, this is where Fireflies really shines. It doesn't just capture meetings, it helps you act on them. Next is Fathom.ai. Now, Fathom focuses on clarity and simplicity. The features include automatic recording and transcription, AI-generated summaries and action items. It also highlights clips for key moments. There's also CRM integrations and instant meeting insights. What makes Fathom unique is that it transforms meetings into structured insights, not just transcripts. And in many cases, it requires less manual cleanup than its competitors. So what is the pricing of these platforms like? First, with Otter.ai, there's a free plan available, which is the basic plan for anybody who wants to give it a try. There's a pro plan at $8.33 per user per month, and you can save a whole lot of money when you decide to pay annually, but when you pay monthly, the prices go up almost double. There's a business plan at $19.99 per user per month when you pay annually, and an enterprise plan for large teams and companies where you request a custom pricing from the sales teams. With Fireflies.ai, there's a free plan as well at $0, forever free. There's a pro plan at $10 per seat per month when billed annually, and there's a popular plan right now, the business plan at $19 per seat per month when billed annually, and an enterprise plan at $39 per seat per month when billed annually, which is great for large-scale enterprises. And for Fathom, there's also a free plan, free forever, $0, a Teams plan at $15 per month per user, minimum of 2 users, and you have a free trial with this one, with Fathom, and also a 90-day guarantee. And there's a business plan at $25 per user per month, also minimum of 2 users, and also a free trial with a 90-day guarantee. So what are the cons and pros of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Otter.ai, it has great real-time transcription, it is easy to use, and has strong collaboration tools. For Fireflies, It has powerful integrations, it is great for teams and sales, and has strong automation features. And for Fathom, it's extremely generous on the free plan, although others have a free plan as well. It has clean structured summaries and it's easy to use. But one good thing with the pricing for Fathom is that there's a free trial that you can get started with before you finally commit to payment. Now, what about the cons? For Otter.ai, the free plan is limited, it has fewer integrations and less automation. For Fireflies.ai, it can feel complex and requires setup and configuration. Also, the interface can be overwhelming. And for Fathom, of course, it has fewer integrations than Fireflies and is still growing as well. So having considered all of this, pros and cons and other details, which one is actually the best? The answer really depends on your use case. So here's my recommended option. If you're someone who wants simple real-time transcription and collaboration, then Otter.ai is still a solid choice. If you're working in a team environment, especially in sales or operations, and you want deep integrations and automation, then Fireflies.ai is probably the best fit. But if you want a best overall value, especially as an individual or a small team, then Fathom is incredibly hard to beat. And that's it on the comparison of Otter.ai, Fireflies, and Fathom. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Lindy, Jamie, and Fellow. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.